We've been getting a lot of requests to make Jain recipes. So today's recipe is a very simple and a very common street food available all over India, that is Jain Pav Bhaji. So I'm going to add in a few chopped vegetables in the pressure cooker. I have 1 cup of cauliflower chopped, 2 raw bananas chopped, and to add to the nutritional value and also gives volume to the bhaji, I have some bottle gourd here. So a cup of chopped bottle gourd and a cup of green peas. Add in some water. Give this a mix. Close the pressure cooker and cook this for 4 whistles on high flame. As you can tell, I've used bottle gourd and raw bananas as a substitute for potatoes. Four whistles are up. Now, let's get the pressure cooker off the flame and let it cool down completely before we open it. I'm going to make the bhaji on this pan. So let's start sauteing a few ingredients till then. I have 2 cubes of butter. Let's add it into this pan. Once the butter starts to melt, into this I'm going to add 1 capsicum finely chopped. Let's saute this for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add in 5 tomatoes, finely chopped. With this, at this point, I'm also going to add in the dry spices. So, first one that goes in is the Pav Bhaji Masala. When you're buying the Pav Bhaji Masala, make sure you read all the ingredients and it should not have any onion or garlic powder. So let's add in a tablespoon of this masala, also a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add a little bit of salt just to cook the tomatoes quickly. Give this a mix. So cook the tomatoes till they are nice and soft. Okay, they need to be completely cooked. So while these are cooking, I'm going to quickly open the pressure cooker and mash the vegetables. So make sure the pressure cooker is completely cooled down. Take a masher and just mash the vegetables. Make sure they are completely mashed. Don't worry about the water because anyways I'm going to add some water to cook the bhaji. So we're just going to use the vegetable water for it. And now since I'm making it on a tawa, I'm going to add little of this at a time because I don't want it to overflow. So let's add in a few ladles of the vegetable mix. The tomatoes were nicely cooked. You can see that they've become extremely soft and mushy. Mix the pressure cooked vegetables with the tomatoes. Let's add in some more. Also add the salt. Add in some coriander leaves. And this bhaji is ready. Let's get it off the pan. The bhaji is ready, and on the same pan, now I'm going to warm up the bread. So heat some butter. So this is the pav bread that we call. Once the butter is hot, just cook the bread on both the sides just to warm it up. street style Jain Pav Bhaji is ready. If you have any more requests for Jain recipes, do write and let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.